Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by checking free space on C and noting GB and % so you know your target. Next, create a system restore point and backup key files to a USB or cloud. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, close background apps and sign in as an administrator so cleanup tools run with full permissions. These steps let you act fast and reduce risk, making the upcoming cleanup safe and effective. You now perform the main work: run disk cleanup, select system files, and remove temporary files and the Windows Update cache to reclaim space. Then uninstall unused applications, sort by size, and remove installers and games you no longer need, because apps often consume the most space. Make sure to run Storage Sense or a trusted third-party scanner to find duplicates and large files. Once these steps finish, check free space again to verify progress and decide if more removal is needed. You finish by emptying the recycle bin and clearing browser caches and temp folders to free the last percentages of space. Make sure to run a disk error check and then optimize. Defragment a HDD or confirm SSD trim is enabled because healthy storage performs better. If low space persists, move large folders, like videos or downloads, to an external drive or secondary partition. If an app blocks deletion, restart in safe mode and try again. That usually releases stubborn files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.